Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the managed agent feature of the Claude API. This is a relatively new feature, just a few days old, and it's quite interesting. Let's start by clicking on Quick Start. Here you can see several example agents that you can launch directly. You can also see the tools each agent uses. For this example, This shows a general YAML description for the agent. You can also switch to a JSON description. Next, click Use this template. Now I just need to add some information to get it running. I've set this up once before. You'll need to either set up a new environment or choose an existing one. The system handles the rest. Now let's run a test. This takes a moment, about 2 minutes. And now we can see the result of the entire agent workflow. As you can see, it performed a very deep research task. Once that's done, we'll click Next, Integrate. Here we get sample code to use this agent. This code can be used to call the agent from other agents or from any system you're using. You can give this to Claude Code or other tools like OpenClaw and easily integrate this agent directly into your workload. I built one yesterday and you can see the previous sessions here. You can also manage environments, variables, and save credentials in the vault. This feature is paid for using your API credits, so you will pay for each use directly. As far as I know, it's not possible to route this through your regular coding plan. I'm not sure about my other API usage today, but the cost for this specific run was around 70 cents, perhaps a bit less. I will definitely experiment with this more. Of course, you can also add your own tools and go deeper into the configuration. It's an interesting concept, creating one specialized agent that can be called from different locations, tools, or even by other agents. I see this as an interesting use case, not as a direct replacement for tools like Hermes or OpenClaw, but as a powerful add-on to make workflows more consistent and stable. Thank you for watching. In the description you'll find more information and a link to my AI Agents community. If you liked the video, please leave a comment or a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.